welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because today I am going to be doing a Peachybbies slime shop review. So recently I've been looking around at her slime shop and I saw some really cool slimes there that I thought would be so much fun to try out. So I went ahead and picked up 4 different slimes and I am just so excited to open them up in today's video and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and follow me on Instagram where I post exclusive slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. And without further ado, let's get started. So here's the package that I received from Peachybbies. In total, I spent around $65 and ordered 4 different slimes, and the package only took 3 days to get here, which was amazing. I absolutely love the box that this came in. It has this super cute print on the inside, and I just loved it. She also sent me some extras, which was an activator pen, a pencil, an eraser, a super cute sticker, and her business card. So here's the first slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Kawaii Crunch Cake, and this slime cost around $13. This is a super pretty two-toned pink and purple slime with a hybrid slushy slime texture. This slime did come a little bit sticky, so I went ahead and mixed in some activator. This slime has a very nice texture. The slushy beads make this slime so nice and crunchy, and it has amazing bubble pops. The slime also has a very sweet cotton candy scent, and overall I thought this was a great slime. So here's the next slime that I'm going to be opening. So this slime is called Prism Jelly, and this one cost around $13. This is actually my first time ever touching a jelly slime, and I just love it. It has such a nice and unique texture. It's super nice and smooth. The slime is great for stretching, poking, and it also has really nice bubble pops. This is also an unscented clear slime, and overall I really liked this slime. So here's the next slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Classic Candy Fluff, and this one cost around $17. This is a super pretty two-toned pink and blue cloud slime topped off with some really cute confetti. This cloud slime has such an amazing texture. It's so soft and fluffy, and it has really nice drizzles. The slime also has an amazing cotton candy scent that smells so good. The slime does leave a little bit of residue on my hands and table, but other than that, this is such a nice slime, and it's definitely my favorite one from this video. So here's the last slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Peach Puffball, and this one cost around $13. This is a 3-colored inflating butter slime, but the colors did mix a little bit due to shipping. This butter slime has such a nice texture. It's so soft and fluffy, and it's super creamy and spreadable. The slime also has a very strong peach scent, and it was just a lot of fun to play with. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and follow me on Instagram where I post exclusive slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!